stated it had the same general appearance and shape as their badges, but almost all of the specific details on it were wrong.
If the same as really convincing, I was like, around 50-50. I was like, it's a mistake. That's all the same for lack of evidence of getting but they didn't have nothing to do with the channel.
With this year removed, the officers attempted to get an explanation from Michael.
So, at this time, I'm going to look for Ryzen. Okay, we don't need that.
Yeah.
There was an incident where Michael allegedly acted as though he was a law enforcement officer. There'd been an accident at the entrance of a parking garage.
Now let's go. This guy here is directing here. He's going to roll away from the ambulance. I'm pointing the Jesus flash, right? We're driving people away from the area where they're going. Okay. So, you are the sign.
The officers from London, who had been at the Salvation Army the night before, spoke with Michael. To the effect of